Daniel Carlson feels terrible after misfiring on kick to win game. Daniel Carlson holds the SEC career records for field goals and points. The Minnesota Vikings traded up to draft the Auburn place kicker in the 5th round in April. On Sunday, Carlson missed all 3 of his field goal attempts, with 2 of them coming in overtime. Carlson missed a 35-yarder, 2 yards longer than an NFL extra point, on the final play of the game as the Vikings and the Green Bay Packers played to a 29-29 tie. "It feels terrible," Carlson said in the locker room after the game. "Credit to them because they fought back time and time again. It's too early," Zimmer said. "You come on the road, you play a really good football team, the guys played their rear ends off, have a chance to win at the end and you don't get it done," Zimmer said. Carlson said he thought the issue was probably mechanical, but the last miss might have been a little something more. "ICYMI, Vikings kicker Daniel Carlson responded to questions after missing 3 FGS in today's 29-29 tie in Green Bay. pic.twitter.com/FKFEG3HIWI